Today I'm going to show you the best way to reheat grilled chicken so that it remains juicy and delicious. Whether you had a barbecue last night or simply have some leftovers, I have got you covered with easy steps. Hi there, I am Jack, a food enthusiast from Bloggin Good Food. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Before we begin, make sure you have the following items handy: a microwave safe plate, a microwave oven, a microwave safe cover or plastic wrap, and of course, your leftover grilled chicken. So let's get started. Step 1. Preparation. Start by placing your leftover grilled chicken on a microwave safe plate. Make sure the pieces are arranged in a single layer. Step 2. Moisture retention. To keep the chicken moist during reheating, drizzle a few drops of water evenly over the pieces. This will help preserve their juiciness. Step 3. Covering. Cover the plate with a microwave safe cover or plastic wrap. This will create a steamy environment, preventing the chicken from drying out. Step 4. Microwave reheating. Now it's time to reheat the chicken. Place the plate in the microwave and set it to medium-high power. Reheat for 2 to 3 minutes, but keep an eye on it. Step 5. Check and enjoy. Carefully remove the plate from the microwave. Check the internal temperature of the chicken using food thermometer. It should reach 165 Fahrenheit for safe consumption. If needed, give the chicken a gentle stir or flip the pieces. And there you have it. Your grilled chicken is now reheated and ready to enjoy. Serve it as it is or use it as a base for other delicious dishes. Remember, the key is to reheat gently to maintain its juicy goodness. I hope you find this video helpful. Reheating grilled chicken doesn't have to be complicated. With these simple steps, you can enjoy the flavors of your grilled chicken once again. Stay tuned for more culinary tips and tasty recipes.